To do this traditional granny square, you will need your yarn, a hook, and the band on the yarn usually tells you which hook to use. I'm using a 4mm G. You will need a darning needle and a pair of scissors. Put those to the side. How I like to start the granny square is a magic circle. Some people do it with a chain and then they make a loop, make a circle, but how I like to do it is you grab your yarn, make a chain, and it makes a circle. There you go. Another 2 chain, that's how we start, and we use treble stitches in this project. So I've used a 3 chain and then 2 trebles, and for the corners 2 chain, and then we do 3 more trebles. Two more chain for the corner, 3 more trebles. We need 4 sets of 3, so 2 chain, 1, 2, 3. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull that tail, last corner 2 chain, and then we slip stitch 1, 2, 3 in the top of the 3 chains, slip stitch. So that's round 1, your corners, slip stitch across. This is how I like to do it. There's other ways of doing the start of a granny as well. I like to do chain 2 because, as you can see, this is where I started and went up in these corners. I do 2 chain because when I used to do 3 it bunched up and I didn't like that look. So now I've found over time I use just 2 chain, and then we need 2 treble to get the 3, 2 chain, 3 treble. Now I'm using UK terminology, the treble. In the US it's double crochet. Chain 1 to get to the next corner, and then it's 3 treble, 2 chain, 3 treble. Chain 1, 3 treble, 2 chain for your corner, and 3 treble. Going on to the last corner, 1 chain, 3 treble, 2 chain, and 3 treble. Now you can make these granny squares as big or as small as you like, depending on your project. Then we slip stitch into the top again as before, and that's round 2 finished. As you can see, I've done round 3 and I've nearly done round 4. So it's the same as before. I'm in my last corner. I've made the last corner. chain 1, three treble, chain 1, gets you to the next space, 3 treble, chain 1, and again, like I said, 1, 2 chain. I just find it sits better on your project, which I'll show you in a minute. Slip stitch to join, and because I'm only doing 4 rounds on this, because I'm just doing it as a sample, I like to give it a few inch, snip it off, yarn over, pull through, and then pull it tight. Now what I do, darning needle in, and what I like to do is go around at least once, and then I will double back, because I found in one of my earlier projects that was for a family friend, fortunately, and I could fix it. What I'd done is I'd not gone round enough, or I'd not gone double back enough, so it came apart, so I had to fix it. So I've learnt by my mistakes, so yeah, go round. And for this one, this tail, I personally, because I would usually put a border on, I like to leave it out and sew it in a certain way, so it hopefully doesn't come out, which most times it doesn't. So that's finished, and this is, I can't show you the whole project because it's just a little bit too big. But this is quite a bright one. I did deep colours, medium colours, and then the light colours are here. So what I did was, I did 3 rounds of the pastel colours, and like I said, the other colours. And then I went round in this deep grey around them all, and did join as you go method, which is a really easy method. I don't know if I'll be able to do that in a video, because there's quite a few ladies that have done it on YouTube, so you can always follow those. And then I did 1 round in the same grey, same principle, clusters, and then a lighter, and then a lighter even, so that's silver, I believe, that colour. So you don't have to just make it, you don't have to do 4 and then do a round. You can do it as small or as big as you like. I hope that was okay for you. I hope you understood what I was saying, being a Yorkshire lass. Sometimes it's hard to understand what we Yorkshire women are saying, but I'll finish that off camera. But that's how it should be. So it's remembering as well, 3, 2, 3 in each corner, and then it will turn out square. Bye for now.